At IKEA, we offer many people a good night's sleep through a wide range of mattresses. For us, this comes with a certain responsibility for dealing with mattresses at the end of their life. By 2030, we want to be 100% circular, meaning 100% of the raw materials used in our products will be renewable or recycled. This includes replacing raw materials made from fossil fuels, such as foam in a mattress. This is why, together with Ikano Industry and Renewy, we invested in a RetourMatras. This year, RetourMatras will grow its annual recycling capacity to over 1.5 million mattresses in the Netherlands and Belgium. We are very excited to share that RetourMatras is starting construction of a new recycling facility to transform foam from end-of-life mattresses into the main raw material for new foam. The foam meets the highest safety and quality standards for a new mattress. Together, we pave the way to a circular mattress. So, all you need to worry about is making the most of your hours of sleep.